Welcome to Zealot BMX YouTube channel. I'm Rahul and this is Bikes Over Coffee or Coffee Over Bikes. But as I always say, but first coffee. So today's brew is an AeroPress made with the Purple Project beans from KC Roasters. Absolutely yum. Today we're going to talk about the beginner's FAQ. BMX चलानी है, स्पॉट में एंट्री करनी है, लेकिन बाइक नहीं है. बाइक कहां से लूं? BMX कहां मिलेगी? कितने की मिलेगी? सवाल सवाल सवाल, इतने सारे सवाल, लेकिन जवाब नहीं मिला मिलॉर्ड. इन सब सवालों को हम FAQ कहते हैं, which means FAQ, frequently asked questions. FAQ और इत्तेफाक, यानी luck by chance. Your luck that you came across this video. Starting out in BMX? Well, you can get just about any basic BMX from your local BMX shop or local bike shop. Oh wait, क्या? गलत है? Oh yeah, okay. Actually, we need to address something right now. एक गलत फहमी हुई है. काफी न्यूकमर्स को लगता है कि BMX एक कंपनी का नाम है. So let me just elaborate on that. BMX is not a company. BMX stands for bicycle, B, moto, M, and cross. Okay, it evolved from motocross, which is what you see people do on motorbikes, dirt bikes, etc. That's where it evolved from. Kids on bicycles started imitating motocross riders, so it became bicycle motocross. So वो अपने स्पॉट का नाम है, bicycle motocross, BMX. कोई कंपनी का नाम नहीं. कोई कंपनी ऐसी नहीं है जिसका नाम BMX है. हाँ, कंपनियां हैं जैसे कि there's Odyssey, Sunday, Fit, Kink, Haro, GT, Mongoose. All of these companies make BMX bikes. Okay? BMX is a type of a bike made for the sport of BMX. So all the BMX brands make complete bikes, at least most of them do. Complete bikes. Complete bikes का मतलब क्या है? It means a bike that's full, everything. Handlebar, seat, tires, wheels, everything in one box. Take it out of the box, fix it up, go ride. That's a complete bike. Okay? But why am I talking about complete bikes? Well, in BMX generally, as you progress and the better you get, you will want to build your bike from the ground up, which means आप अपने चुने हुए पार्ट्स के साथ अपनी BMX बनाएंगे, जैसे सब राइडर्स करते हैं, जैसे सब प्रोस करते हैं. But that is after you reach a certain level. So now back to the point, a basic BMX. If you're starting out in BMX, you can get just about any basic BMX bike from your local bike shop. It could be an Indian brand. Some of them still do make one. Actually, most have stopped making it because they did not find it profitable. But it's up to you to convince them to make BMX bikes. Keep mailing them, keep calling them and telling them, make a BMX bike, because we as local riders need some local support. Alright? There's a company called Firefox, and there is a bike listed on their website. So if you can find it, well and good, or maybe you can find a Firefox dealer who still has some in stock. It's a great way to get started in BMX, and it's not that expensive. There are also some imports from China available at local bike shops. So if you find those, you can start out on that. लेकिन फिर बोलोगे यार भाई ये बाइक इतनी अच्छी नहीं है भाई. सही बोला. So what is the तीन में से दो का principle? See, there are three things in life: सस्ता, सुंदर and टिकाऊ. Okay? इनमें से आप कोई भी दो चुन लो. सस्ता और सुंदर तो टिकाऊ नहीं होगी. सस्ता और टिकाऊ तो सुंदर नहीं होगी. और सुंदर और टिकाऊ तो भाई सस्ती तो नहीं होगी. मेरा कहने का मतलब यह है कि अच्छी बाइक सस्ती नहीं होती, बट देयर इज होप. There are a couple of Indian brands which are kind of rider owned और indigenously developed, यानी कि भारत में बनाई हुई फ्रेम फॉक और हैंडल बार BMX के लिए 2-3 लोग ट्राई कर रहे हैं और it should be well priced, not cheap, just well priced. So let's hope for that. And if these guys do make those products, we will feature them on this channel, we will test them and we will let you know how good they are. काफ़ी लोग सोचते हैं कि मुझे अच्छा BMX राइडर बनने के लिए मुझे एक प्रो राइडर की सिग्नेचर फ्रेम चाहिए या लगेगी, वरना भाई ट्रिक्स नहीं हो पाएंगे भाई। एरन रॉस की फ्रेम चाहिए, न तो टॉमी डुगन की, नेथन विलियम्स की, या वो बंदा क्रिस काइल, बोथ हार्ड। गलत फहमी भाई, अगर आप स्टार्ट आउट कर रहे हो तो कोई भी फ्रेम चलेगी आपको। ट्रस्ट मी, आई हैव बीन देयर। If it's a little small, a little big, a little tall, a little short, as long as it's a basic BMX frame, it will do and it will help you get started. So don't be fussy and don't get stuck up. अच्छा, आपको लगता है मैं मजाक कर रहा हूँ? मैं अभी एक वीडियो ऐड कर रहा हूँ यहाँ पे। इस बच्चे को देखो, इसका नाम है स्टुअर्ट रोजाडो। He is from Ecuador. Okay, just look at the bike that he is riding and just see his style and his abilities on a bike. You'll be amazed. See, it's possible to ride an old shitty bike and still ride well. You don't need like a pro level bike to get started. Just making a point, okay? Just making a point. Okay, so that's it. BMX for beginners. Let us know if we missed anything or if there's anything that you'd like to see. Put it in the comments below. As always, share, like and subscribe, and don't just rock it, sprocket.